How to fix TikTok missing features. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok missing feature easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is just go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, you can do the same thing. And then go to the search bar here in the top and search for TikTok like this. And after that you have to click on this update option if you found it to update your TikTok into the latest version. And after you finish this, now you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem will be solved. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more educational tutorials. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and see you later.